Hello guys and welcome to a new video of FIFA Mobile. Today we would be playing the World Cup mode and we'll claim some prestige player and we'll also get an exchange player at the end of the video. And guys, I've got 26 prestige 4 points, so that means we can get this player, but I have 19 prestige 6 point and we need 30 to get sigurdsson, and that is why we're gonna play a match and I'll try to win this one. So guys, the FIFA World Cup mode is ending soon in the FIFA Mobile. I guess 2 days or less are left. So guys, you can play as much as you can, and if you want to get your exchange points, you can get it in that time because you're not gonna get it again, and it will just get over in 2 days. So guys, we scored the first goal. The ball is Ronaldinho, and that's the corner, and we scored on the corner, and there's the third one. And the ball with Ronaldinho, that's a 360, and that's a penalty. And we score at this point. We get a great chance. That means we are gonna have a goal, and that's 5-2. So guys, we are winning this match. That means we are close to get another great chance, and we score on that great chance. I have a feeling that we'll win this match. And we are ahead till now, and 3 seconds left, and we win this match. That means that we are gonna get sigurdsson. That player is going straight in our team because I want someone else than Isco. And so guys, we get our prestige 6 points and we move on to 20. Let's claim this player first. So we get the 89 rated Russian player, and now on to the master player. And this is the moment I've been waiting for. We get the master sigurdsson. This card is a very good card. Let's look at his stats. Oh, 86 shooting, 100 passing, 99 agility, and that's very good. Now let's get our 100 exchange point, guys. So guys, this is gonna be the end of our Brazilian team, and we want to get that 100 exchange point because we know that the World Cup mode is going to finish very soon, and we want that 92 overall master card, and we have a total of 106 exchange points. And now let's move on to the store and claim our exchange point, exchange player. Sorry for that. I was looking for a center back, and for that, David Luiz is the best person we've got, and I'll get David Luiz, and that was the That was the moment I was waiting for. And guys, we get David Luiz, our first exchange MasterCard. Let's look at his stats. 109 defending and 111 physical. He's so guys, he have 109 defending and 101 111 physical. That is the first exchange MasterCard we have. And let's update our team. I want to see this man in our team. And he's 99 rated. David Luiz, and we're also gonna add sigurdsson to our team. And we're gonna take out Isco. And let's play a versus attack match with this team. So guys, this is gonna be the first versus attack match we're gonna have with David Luiz and Sigurdsson. And I definitely want to win this match. Oh, our team so looks so great today, and we get an 82 opponent team, and I do not like that because I do not like to score against low rated team. So now let's give the ball to David Luiz. Here he is, and again to him, and that's a corner. Sigurdsson take the corner and Bale scores, and Silky gets the ball and Sigurdsson with the ball. Uh, I want Sigurdsson to and Sigurdsson with the ball, and he could not score. Sigurdsson again with the ball, and that's Rainbow Flick, and that. Oh my God, that was a brilliant shoot by Sigurdsson. The ball again is Sigurdsson, and he could not score at that point. But Bale does a bicycle but could not score. 3-0 we are, and the last goal should be scored by our new player, and we could not score with the Sigurdsson and win the match. That was very good. So guys, we got the exchange player we wanted, and that was really good. Hope you liked the video. If you liked, give it a thumbs up and comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share. So guys, that was all for today. Goodbye.